Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om. Let us contemplate Bhagavad Gita Shloka number 38. Sukha Dukhe Same Krutva Labha Labhau Jaya Jayo Sukha Dukhe Same Krutva Labha Labhau Jaya Jayo Tato Yuddhaya Yujyasva Naivam Papamavapsyasi Tato Yuddhaya Yujyasva Naivam Papamavapsyasi Now all together, twice. Sukha Dukhe Same Krutva Labha Labhau Jaya Jayo Tato Yuddhaya Yujyasva Naivam Papamavapsyasi Sukha Dukhe Same Krutva Labha Labhau Jaya Jayo Tato Yuddhaya Yujyasva Naivam Now let us know the meaning, contemplation of this shloka. Jayati Parashara Sunuhu Satyavati Hridaya Nandano Vyasaha Yasya Asya Kamalagalitam Vangmayam Amrutam Jagat Pibati Vyasaya Bhavanashaya Shrishaya Gunarashaye Hridyaya Shuddha Vidyaya Madhvaya Janamo Namaha Shankaram Shankaracharyam Shesham Ramanujam Yatim Vayuncha Madhvamacharyam Acharyat Prayamasriye. Respected dignitaries on the dais, my dear students and faculties. We are knowing Bhagavad Gita Upadesha from 2.11. Krishna started giving the real actual advice from 2.11. From there, Ashocyananma Shochastvam, till here, the 38th shloka, Krishna has tried to remove all the ignorance of an individual. That means, who am I? Where I have come from, what is the nature of me, everything has been told in a very beautiful manner by Krishna to Arjuna. First he gives the knowledge of who are you, first, what is Deha, what is Atma, and how, what are the features of that, and why you should fight down. If you don't fight, what happens? Then how people are going to belittle you, think very low of you, and how people are going to avachyavadam cha bahun vadishyati tavahitaha nindantastava samartyam tato dukkatarannu kim. What better dukkha is there than that? Listening to all those words which are undeserving, and that is not at all deserving for you. You are not a normal ordinary man, Arjuna. You are a Gandivi, you are a Mahabahu, and you have won so many battles. And now in the final round of battle of Dharma Yuddha, if you are showing like this back to the battle and wants to run away, then what is the most heinous thing than this? That is what? That's why in the previous shloka we heard, Hato va prapsyasi swargam. Even if you get killed in this battle, you will get swarga, viragati, swarga. Hato va prapsyasi swargam, chitva va. If you win the battle, then you are going to rule the whole earth. Jitvava bhokshase mahim tasmat. Therefore, uttishta kaunteya, get up now. And make your mind definitely to fight, not to run away. Why? Because after giving all this knowledge, Krishna says, now you should know how to balance. How to balance what? Good and bad. Sukha dukkhe same kritva labha alabhau jaya ajayo tataha Yuddhaya Yujyasva. Na evam papam avapsyasi. This is what he says. He wants to bring the equilibrium, balance, emotional balance in Arjuna. By saying that Shita, Ushna, Sukha, Dukkha, Labha, Alabha, Jaya, Apajaya, all these are two faces of a coin. Is it not? We are going to experience everything. Shita, Ushna, Sukha, Dukkha, Labha, Alabha, Jaya, Apajaya, everything. How do we receive all this? You can't say that I want only happiness in life. You can't say that I want to be always victorious. You can't say that I want only happiest, most pleasant atmosphere in this world. No. Just 2 months before we were all shivering with cold. Now, without fan you cannot live. Arey, you have to sustain this also. You have to know how to tam titikshasva bharata. You should know how to bear the cold also. You should know how to tolerate even summer also. Don't jump. In Kannada there is a saying, one Kavi told this. ಚಳಿಗಾಲ ಬಂದಾಗ ಎಷ್ಟು ಚಳಿ ಎನ್ನುವರೋ ಬಂತಲ್ಲ ಬೇಸಿಗೆ ಕೆಟ್ಟ ಬಿಸಿಲು ಎನ್ನುವರು ಅಂತ. ಜನಗಳಿಗೆ ಯಾವುದೂ ಸರಿ ಹೋಗಲ್ಲ. ಚಳಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಅಯ್ಯೋ ಕೆಟ್ಟ ಚಳಿಪ್ಪ ಅಂತೀವಿ, ಅಯ್ಯೋ ಬಿಸಿಲು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಯ್ಯೋ ಕೆಟ್ಟ ಬಿಸಿಲು ಅಂತೀವಿ, ಮಳೆ ಬಂದರೆ ಅಯ್ಯೋ ದರಿದ್ರ ಮಳೆ ಅಂತೀವಿ. ನೋಡಿದ್ರ, ಸಿ ದ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ವಿ ಯೂಸ್, ದರಿದ್ರ ಮಳೆ ಅಂತೀವಿ. No, 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 no. You cannot. These are the part and parcel of our life. That is what Krishna is telling here. Sukha dukhe same kritva. Same kritva means balance it. Balance both. Accept whatever comes in your life. Victory or defeat, whatever it is. Don't expect for anything. But you do your duty. Sukha dukhe same kritva. Labha alabha. You are not going to be always in the profit side always. Labha sometimes, alabha, or definitely will be at the loss. So know how to balance both. Jaya and apajaya also. Always being victorious is our wish. Okay, but you can't be always victorious. You have to face defeat also. The defeat is going to make you more perfect in life. You will learn to receive more failures in your life is going to make you more perfect actually. Only the victory, only you are seeing the happiness part of the side of a coin is that when you get defeat or when you get dukkha, you cannot tolerate. You will die there only. No, that should not be the thing. Sukha bandaga higgade, dukkha bandaga kuggade. ಜೀವನವನ್ನ ಸಮತೋಲನದಿಂದ ನಡೆಸು ಓ ಅರ್ಜುನ. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್ ಕನ್ನಡ. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಹೌ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಬೀಯಿಂಗ್ ಟೋಲ್ಡ್. ಜೀವನದ ಸಮತೋಲನ. ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ನೋ ಹೌ ಟು ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ದ ಲೈಫ್. ಸಮಯ ಕೃತ್ವ ಲಾಭಾಲಾಭೌ ಜಯಾ ಜಯೋ ತತಃ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಯುದ್ಧಾಯ ಯುಜ್ಯಸ್ವ. Having this concept in your mind, that is how the Sankhya is being told by Krishna till now. After telling about the each and every detail of life, what is Jiva, what is Atma, what is Paramatma, and how we need to understand, this is only Sankhya. Tataha yuddhaya yujyasva. After knowing this, fight now. Naivam papam avapsyasi. Na evam. You will never get attached to any of the sins of life. You will never get attached. Why? Means you are balancing both. You are not getting attached to sukha only or dukkha only. No. Sukhasyanantaram dukkham, dukkhasyanantaram sukham, chakravat parivartate, sukhani cha, dukkhani cha. This is Mahabharata shloka. Vedavyasa Rishi says, so after sukha, dukkha is there. After dukkha, sukha is there. Definitely, when we are experiencing happiness, be very cautious. Next term is dukkha. When you are experiencing dukkha, then immediately you will get next is sukha only. So just be aware of all this and then respond as and when the situation arises. This is the most beautiful way. After telling the Sankhya and giving this warning to Arjuna, Krishna now goes to the karma aspect of this. What is that? Yesha te vihita sankhe buddhir yoge tu imam shruno buddhya yukto yaya partha karma bandham prahasyasi. So how you can get rid of all the karmas, that will be told in the coming days. Till then, Hari Om Tat Sat. Thank you. Namaste.